I am Ester Lowery, and I believe in the Rapid Gut Reset program because it has been so beneficial to me. Between 40 and 50 years, I had been suffering with gut issues, but I didn't know what they were in detail enough to know what to do about it. Now, after Rapid Gut Reset, I have a plan in place. It has been so beneficial to me and my family because I am developing into a stronger, more healthier, vibrant person. Before Gut Reset, my life was pretty much, I describe it as being at a state of despair, in that I knew a lot of things were going on that I could not get assistance with through the medical standard procedures. I had gone to doctors numerous of times trying to get some assistance. I actually had been praying for relief, and I had spent many years trying to seek some help. And so once I heard about the program, the first time around that I got the announcement, I didn't enroll. Then the second time they sent it out, I decided this must be my indication to go ahead with this program. So I did that, and I have not been disappointed at all. What impressed me the most is that they provided information that I could not get elsewhere. It was information that was manageable. There was a location to get supplements that I could depend on, and every aspect of the program or the information was very positive, and they gave me confidence. A number of different programs before, and they have all been disappointing. What surprised me most about the Rapid Gut Reset was that there was actually an outline. They were specific regarding how to reduce my symptoms, whereas the other programs and the medical could not identify it. By them providing specific tools to work with and giving you confidence and teaching about the enemas and not being afraid of that, those kinds of things gave me confidence to move ahead. The top tools that have made a difference for me, number one is in the program, you're learning about gut health. You're learning about how to take your supplements, and you're learning how to move your bowels every day. What I'm doing now is that I actually have tools. I have a plan. I have something that I can work with. I can go back and I can reference what I need to do. The main reason I would recommend the Rapid Gut Reset program is because we don't understand enough about our bodies to know what is going on. There's a lot involved in taking care of our bodies, but we need help. We don't have the information. And that is what I was desperately in need of, some good, sound information.